What's up everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. Today I have the cutest and most adorable project for you. We're gonna make teacup or coffee mug bath bombs. I'm gonna give you the recipe, show you how to mold them, and give you tips and tricks on how to decorate them. As always, check out the description for helpful information like the recipe, tips, updates, the supply list, and more. Now make another batch and add a half a tablespoon of powdered surfactant to the exterior mix to slow reactions in the water. Here I'm adding color powder. For that tutorial, click the information icon. You can add 5 milliliters of water or 5 milliliters of liquid colorant. Mix the wet ingredients together. As you can see, mine almost thickens to a full blob, which is a great thing. For more information on achieving thick wet ingredients, click the icon. Add the wet ingredients while whisking, then thoroughly rub the mixture with your hands. This is the mold I'll be using, and it will be linked in the description along with the discount code. The mold has 2 sides and a sleeve. The great thing about this mold is that you can pack it from within the sides, you know what I mean, and smush it together, but also from the top and bottom. I mean, and this makes it so much easier. Add a layer of exterior mix, then smush it down and hollow it out to make sort of like a shell. Add interior mix to the top. Then add another layer of exterior mix on top. You'll notice the molds don't smash down evenly. To remedy this, remove some of the mix, leaving about 1/4 of an inch on the handle. Smash both sides together tightly, then remove the sleeve. Keep adding, mix, and packing the top and bottom until they're both full and flat. Remember to hold the sides together tightly during this process. Just keep adding, mix, and flattening the top until you can't add any more. This is going to make a super sturdy and strong bath bomb. Tap both sides with a spoon until the bomb releases. Dry them for 24 hours. After, you can clean up the sides a bit. To make paint, mix alcohol and mica together. to make glue, liquid glue, mix together 2 milliliters of alcohol and 1 milliliter of liquid surfactant. And you can also add mica if you want. I painted the handle and the bottom trim to match. This is a metal ball tool, and it will be linked in the description. Use this tool to make polka dots. Believe me, I've tried everything on the planet, and this tool is by far the easiest and quickest for making uniform polka dots. They're pretty close to perfect, and it sure beats painting in each dot. Dry the pattern for 1 hour. You can also use a small metal ball to make mini polka dots. So this is my big artistic flair, a heart. You can paint it with mica, then paint it with clear glue, then cover it with eco-friendly glitter. I'm using glitter that I colored myself. For that tutorial, click the information icon. Or you can paint a design with colored glue, then cover it with eco-friendly glitter. Let it dry for about an hour, then dry brush the excess glitter off. You can use the same technique with different tools or application methods. Should I cover my dots with glitter? I actually agonized over this query. In the end, I should have left my mica dots alone because they were perfect and they looked better sans the glitter. The glitter was just too dark. This is a short results section because the focus was really on how to make the cute mugs. However, you can see that the exterior foam is a lot slower and thicker versus the interior foam, which is much quicker, more vivacious, and bubblier. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me. For more awesome tutorials just like this one, subscribe now. All you gotta do is just click my face. It's right there in the middle.